Let me ask you this. Have you ever crushed a workout, felt great in the moment, but then the next morning you can barely walk, your arms feel like cement, and every step hurts? That soreness is frustrating, and here's the kicker. It's not just uncomfortable, it can actually slow down your progress. But there's good news. There's one simple thing you can do after every workout to recover faster. Reduce soreness and get better results. Skip it, and you'll stay sore way longer than you need to. Do it consistently, and you'll bounce back quicker, ready to train harder the next time. Most people think the workout ends when the last rep is done, but that's a mistake. What you do in the first 5 to 10 minutes after training can make or break your recovery. If you pack up and leave the gym without cooling down, you're missing out on one of the easiest ways to help your muscles repair. See, the workout tears your muscles down, but recovery is where the growth actually happens. If you ignore this step, you're not only prolonging soreness, you're limiting your body's ability to adapt and get stronger. So what's the hack? It's called active recovery combined with stretching. Instead of dropping straight onto the couch or heading out the door, you need to keep your body moving gently for just a few minutes. Like cardio plus a mix of dynamic and static stretches right after your workout speeds up recovery in a way that nothing else can. It's simple, it's free, and it works. Here's why. When you work out, your muscles produce lactic acid, and microscopic tears occur in the muscle fibers. That's normal, it's part of how we build strength. But if you stop moving right away, blood flow slows down and waste products like lactate linger in your muscles. This contributes to the soreness and stiffness you feel later. Active recovery, like walking, cycling slowly, or dynamic stretching, keeps your blood circulating. This circulation clears out waste products and delivers oxygen and nutrients directly to your muscles, which speeds up repair. Multiple studies have shown that even a 10-minute cooldown can significantly reduce delayed onset muscle soreness compared to stopping cold. So how do you do it? Let me give you a simple step-by-step routine you can follow after your next workout. Start with 2 to 3 minutes of light cardio. This could be walking slowly on the treadmill, pacing around the gym, or pedaling on a stationary bike. Nothing intense, just enough to keep your heart rate slightly elevated while easing down. Then move into dynamic stretches like arm circles, leg swings, and shoulder rolls. This keeps your joints loose, while gently stretching the muscles you just worked. After that, switch to static stretches. Hold each stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds. Focus on your hamstrings, quads, chest, and shoulders. Finally, finish with deep breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose, fill your lungs, then exhale fully through your mouth. This lowers your cortisol levels, activates your parasympathetic nervous system, and signals your body that it's time to shift from work mode into recover mode. Now, if you really want to maximize recovery, here are some extra hacks you can layer in. First, hydrate immediately after your workout. Water helps flush toxins and restores fluid balance, and if you sweat a lot, adding electrolytes can help replenish what you lost. Second, get some protein within 30 minutes of finishing your workout. Protein provides the amino acids your muscles need to repair those tiny tears. This doesn't have to be a shake. It could be eggs, chicken, tuna, or Greek yogurt. Third, prioritize sleep. Sleep is where most muscle repair and growth happens, and if you're not getting enough rest, no amount of supplements or hacks will make up for it. And finally, consider foam rolling or massage to release tight spots and improve circulation. This can be a game changer if you deal with a lot of stiffness. I'll give you a real example. One of my friends used to hit the gym hard 5 days a week, but he never cooled down or stretched. He'd leave right after finishing, and by the next day, he was so sore he could barely move. It messed up his consistency because he had to skip sessions to recover. When he finally added 10 minutes of active recovery and stretching at the end of each workout, everything changed. His soreness dropped dramatically, he could train more consistently, and his strength and muscle gains finally started to show. That's how powerful this simple habit can be. So let's wrap it up. The recovery hack that makes the biggest difference is this. Always finish your workout with active recovery and stretching. It doesn't take long, -5 to 10 minutes is enough, but it helps you reduce soreness, recover faster, and get better results over time. Combine it with hydration, protein, quality sleep, and maybe some foam rolling, and you've got a recovery system that actually works. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you have a recovery routine? Or are you guilty of skipping this part? Drop your answer in the comments, and let's share some recovery hacks together. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It really supports the channel and tells me you want more science-based tips like this. And don't forget to subscribe with the bell on so you never miss another video that helps you train smarter, recover faster, and feel stronger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.